Cracked heels after a long winter are probably one of the worst things before the season of summer sandal. Creams, peels, rubbing stone, and other tricks often require a lot of effort, persistence, and money, and it happens that they do not give any results. Therefore, the best solution is to turn to what you already have in the house: lemon. To begin, select a lemon that is large enough that you can cover the heel and squeeze it. From the juice itself make lemonade, and use the peel to fix your heel skin. Put half of the peel on the heel, so that it is fully covered. In the beginning it will be a little strange, but you'll soon get used to it. When you position the lemon, so that it reacts on the roughest parts, always wear socks to keep it in place. The lemon juice will act as a chemical peel, and will remove all the dry, chapped skin. You need to leave the lemon to stand for at least an hour, and optimally would be ideal to stay overnight. At night is the easiest, because walking with lemon halves on the heels is fairly complicated. Maybe it seems like another gimmick that does not do anything, and we felt that way, but the results are really surprising. After only one night your heels become much softer, all cracked parts vanish, and, after applying the cream, it looks as if you got a pedicure. For a little more persistent cases of cracked heels, it is necessary to repeat the treatment several times. And when you do not put lemon on your feet, you can feel free to apply a chopped onion,